is your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And welcome back, everyone. Another great day out there this afternoon in southern Colorado. Temperatures pretty close to the 60-degree mark, but dropping about 4 to 8 degrees across the region as expected from what we saw yesterday. Now tonight, already seeing temperatures dropping down to the upper 40s, cooler than this time last night, and that's mainly due to the lack of that strong wind coming off the mountains. Was breezier this afternoon. The wind's now tapering off in Pueblo as well, 49 with the northwest wind at about 10 miles per hour. So what is coming up? We talked about this yesterday and throughout the weekend. We are tracking our next winter storm, which tomorrow will deliver some snow showers to the mountains west of the Springs in Pueblo. The next storm for the lower elevations moves in early Thursday morning, tapers off by Thursday evening, and we're going to call this a modest snowmaker at best. It's gone by Thursday night with drier conditions and so much warmer temperatures as we head towards the start of the weekend. Here's the planner forecast on Wednesday. Cloudy skies in the morning, could even squeeze out some patchy drizzle, maybe a few snow flurries. Likely not going to stick as it should be fairly light, if any at all. By noon, seeing a few breaks in the clouds, temperatures near 50 for both the Springs and Pueblo. Daytime highs tomorrow continue to trend downward. You can see some thicker clouds tonight out towards the Raton Mesa. Elsewhere, just seeing mostly clear to cloudy skies this evening, but here it is, our next system lurking off the coast of California. And this has a pretty good tap of moisture. We call this an atmospheric river event. And think about that as a conveyor belt of moisture for California. Areas here, especially some of those recent burn scars, could see anywhere between 2 and 4 inches of rain. That does increase the threat of flash flooding. Now that storm will weaken significantly by the time it reaches us, but we are talking about rain and snow in your Thursday morning forecast. And snow levels are going to be fairly high, so for some of the lower elevations, it might actually fall as liquid precip. When does it pick up? I think mostly after midnight we'll get that snow into Turner County, probably picking up between 3 and 6 a.m. for the Springs and Pueblo. And yeah, it will be mixed with rain at times. I think the model is a little warm here around the spring. It's mostly going to be snow here as we'll be above that 6,000 foot level and likely seeing some snow up towards Monument, Castle Rock, and heading north into Denver. You can see it starts to taper off from north to south by mid-afternoon, and by the evening hours, the snow is gone. So here's the latest snowfall prediction map. Traced to about 1 inch in the Springs, much lighter amounts Pueblo, probably not even seeing any accumulation out towards the plains. Higher amounts probably up here towards Pikes Peak in the mountain areas, Woodland Park, expecting around 1 to 3 inches. Lows tonight dropping down to below freezing in the Springs and Monument. Will be in the 20s here, 24 in Pueblo, 26 in La Junta. Tomorrow's temperatures warmest down to southern stretches of South Colorado, mid-50s in the Springs, 40s in Monument, 45 in Woodland Park. And over the next 7 days, we see this roller coaster ride weather pattern down to 42 with some snow and gusty winds on Thursday. Dry on Friday. Look at the warm up for Saturday with a high of 50. For Pueblo, we go from a high near 60 tomorrow to the mid 40s on Thursday. Sort of a mixed bag of precipitation here Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon. Dry and then warmer Friday and Saturday. Canyon City in the short term, we've got a weather system on Thursday to worry about. I think minimal impact, so the impact scale number hovering around 1, but it could impact that morning drive to work, so you'll want to probably get up a few minutes early. And then we have another system potentially moving in Sunday into Monday. For Woodland Park, dry skies tomorrow, and then we get that snow and gusty wind, going to make it for a morning messy morning commute, I should say, on Thursday, and then drying out Friday into Saturday. More snow here by next Monday.